Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Anthem, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Anthem website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your Anthem account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting tool section. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the budgeting process. Input your monthly income from all sources. Make sure to include salary, bonuses, and any side hustles. Next, list your fixed expenses. These are costs that remain the same each month, like rent or mortgage payments. Now, enter your variable expenses. These include groceries, entertainment, and dining out that can change monthly. Calculate your total monthly expenses. Subtract this total from your monthly income to find your remaining balance. Analyze your financial goals. Decide if you need to save for emergencies, retirement, or specific purchases. Allocate the remaining balance to your financial goals. Use the budgeting tool to set limits for each category. Review your budget regularly to adjust it as necessary. Track your spending through the Anthem app to stay on top of your budget. Utilize alerts and notifications to help manage your expenses. Consider revisiting your budget at least once a month. Stay committed to your financial goals for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.